8 Steps to Have a Good Relationship with a Jealous Man. Do you love your man but he is jealous and constantly argues about that issue? If you think that your partner is a jealous inveterate and does not stop bothering you without some real reason, here we give you 8 steps that will guide you in how to deal with such a man and maintain your relationship with that man that you fell in love with. 1. Clarify why his jealousy. Every relationship is based on trust. Do not reclaim badly, but try to make him see what is the real reason for his behavior. He will feel calmer. 2. Accept that he is jealous and insecure. Keep in mind that he may be suffering from celetypia, a temporary insecurity disorder that can be treated. On the other hand, if you know that in his relationships he has always been jealous, then if you really love him, you will have to balance the things you love about him and think if it is worth the effort, sacrifice and think that he is never going to change. 3. Listen to him. Ask him to tell you why he is jealous. If there is excessive jealousy, you should give him the answers he wants by clarifying that you do not hide anything. 4. Say what you feel like. If you feel imprisoned or unhappy about his jealousy, let your partner know. Do not respond aggressively to his jealousy. 5. Discuss everything without hiding. Be open to talk without hiding details that later cause greater insecurity in him. 6. Establish rules in the relationship. To have greater confidence, you should follow the following guidelines. Consider the decisions you make together as your own. Create a balance to maintain the identity of each one and be independent of the other. The rules should not limit the couple or ask for something that interferes with their spirit or vitality. For example, if you are extroverted, you cannot change it because it is your personality, and being social does not harm the relationship. Do not lie. Ensure doing things so that the relationship grows and does not limit you to be yourself. 7. Build his confidence. Make him feel good about himself. If you praise him and understand him, he will feel more confident and will not see threats to be with you in a relationship. 8. He is a sexual jealous. There are jealous possessives who control everything in the couple. Others are emotional because he only asks that his girl give him security. While a sexual jealous, he likes passive women at the time of having sex. In this case, women cannot have initiative without jealousy appearing. It is recommended to go to a specialist or terminate the relationship. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.